AI robots are becoming way too real, and this year already proved it. We've watched machines go from party tricks to real work, real faces, real presence. Ameca raises an eyebrow and the room freezes. Sophia smiles on stage and the world listens. Jia Jia turns her head, blinks, and you forget she's a machine for a second. Tesla kept pushing Optimus toward scale. Figure 02 clocked in at a real factory. And yes, some teams are straight up building robotic bodies they say could host future AGI. It's been hard to keep up, so here's the plan. We'll break this down step by step, fast and clear, so you don't miss a beat. Big moments, clean takeaways, no fluff. Ready? Let's begin with Grace, a robot that emerged during one of humanity's darkest hours. Grace was created by Hanson Robotics with Singularity Studio. She was shown to the world in mid-2021. At that time, healthcare workers were overwhelmed and patients felt alone. Standing about 1.70 meters tall with gentle Asian features and dressed in a crisp nurse uniform, Grace represents something revolutionary. A robot designed not just to assist, but to comfort. She can simulate 48 different facial muscle movements, creating expressions so nuanced they can genuinely soothe anxious patients. What makes Grace extraordinary? Her thermal camera chest can measure body temperatures and assess patient responsiveness. She speaks English, and if you're not comfortable with English, that's not a problem. She can also speak Mandarin, Cantonese, and more languages to connect with many patients across Asia. But maybe the most amazing thing is Grace's bedside manner. She gives a calm and kind presence. She can talk with elderly patients, check their vital signs, and even sing to make them feel better. In hospital trials, Grace showed something big. Robots can do more than check health. They can also give real companionship. In an age where healthcare workers are stretched thin and elderly patients often face isolation, could robots like Grace bridge that gap? Meet the robot that has captured global attention. Her name is Sophia. Created by Hanson Robotics in 2016, she didn't just break technological barriers, she also broke cultural barriers. She became the world's first robot celebrity. Standing 1.67 meters tall with 83 degrees of freedom throughout her body, Sophia possesses an extraordinary range of motion. But it's her face that truly mesmerizes. 36 degrees of freedom in her head and neck alone, powered by patented Frubber skin and over 30 facial motors that create eerily human expressions. Sophia's claim to fame? In October 2017, Saudi Arabia gave her citizenship. She became the first robot to get this honor. She has been on talk shows and given interviews. She also worked as a UNDP Innovation Ambassador, talking about AI and robot ethics on global stages. If Sophia sparked debates about robot consciousness, Ameca redefined what robotic expression could be. Developed by Engineered Arts, Ameca has earned recognition as possessing one of the world's most advanced humanoid faces. This incredible articulation allows for expressions so lifelike they've gone viral. One demo showed Ameca reacting with surprise, raising eyebrows and widening eyes. It looked almost too human to be fake. What sets Ameca apart is, it is not built for just one job. Instead, it is a base for research in human-robot interaction. It can hold AI-powered conversations. Sometimes it even uses GPT-4 to sound more natural. These conversations can feel so real they blur the line between acting and real communication. The limitation? Until recently, Ameca couldn't walk. It was essentially an incredibly expressive torso. But in 2025, a walking prototype emerged, suggesting that this master of facial expression might soon be mobile. Make sure to subscribe because this Saturday we're uploading a whole half-hour-long video discussing the top 25 robots of 25. So make sure to subscribe. Now let's move to China. From the University of Science and Technology of China comes one of the most visually striking humanoids ever made. Unveiled on April 15, 2016, Jia Jia earned the nickname Robot Goddess for her remarkably lifelike appearance and delicate features. Jia Jia was designed to study natural human interaction through speech recognition and micro-expressions. Her creators envisioned her working in restaurants, hospitals, and nursing homes, though she remains primarily a research prototype. What made Jia Jia special wasn't just her appearance, it was her personality. In one demo, photographers tried to take her picture up close. She politely told them to step back. She said the angle would make her face look fat. This touch of vanity and self-awareness showcased something beyond programmed responses. It hinted at genuine personality. But Jia Jia also caused controversy. Some of her answers were seen as too subservient. She even called male visitors "my lord." This raised questions about how we program gender roles and social rules into robots. Next, we move to Shenzhen, China. UB Robotics has done something that sounds impossible. A robot that never needs to stop working. Walker S2, announced in July 2025, has solved one of robotics' most persistent problems: limited battery life. Standing between 1.62 to 1.76 meters tall, Walker S2 possesses 52 degrees of freedom and can carry up to 15 kilograms. But its most remarkable feature isn't its strength or dexterity. It's its ability to autonomously swap its own battery packs. Picture this. Walker S2 approaches a charging station, removes its depleted battery with one arm, docks it to charge, then grabs a fresh battery with the other arm and plugs it in, all without human intervention. The robot makes this look simple and smooth. This 3-minute process enables truly 24/7 operation, a world first for humanoid robots. Using purely visual stereo cameras for navigation, no LiDAR required, Walker S2 can perform precision tasks with sub-millimeter accuracy while running UBTech's Co-Agent AI system that integrates vision, language understanding, and task planning. The implications are staggering. Imagine factories that never sleep, staffed by tireless humanoid workers. While others focus on entertainment or healthcare, Figure AI has taken a different path, creating the first commercially viable humanoid worker. Figure 2, unveiled on August 6, 2024, Figure O2 has achieved what many thought impossible. It's working a real job. At BMW's South Carolina plant, Figure O2 robots autonomously insert sheet metal parts into fixtures on assembly lines, a delicate task requiring precision and coordination that was previously exclusive to human workers. What makes Figure 02 extraordinary isn't just its technical capabilities. Though its 16-degree of freedom hands can perform sub-millimeter precision tasks, it's the speed of its development. Founded in 2022, Figure AI raised $675 million in early 2024 and moved from concept to factory floor faster than anyone thought possible. The robot's integration of large language model reasoning for high-level task planning, combined with 3x the computing power of previous generations, enables it to understand complex instructions and adapt to changing situations. And if Figure 2 proved robots can handle real jobs, Optimus wants to build millions more. What sets Optimus apart isn't just its specifications. It's Tesla's vision of mass production. Musk projects that Optimus could be priced under $20,000 and produced in numbers that dwarf all other humanoid projects combined. The company's plan? Use robots to build more robots, creating a self-reinforcing cycle of production. By 2024, Optimus robots demonstrated autonomous tasks like sorting objects by color and performing synchronized routines. While robotics experts remain skeptical of Tesla's ambitious timelines, the company's track record of transforming industries makes dismissing their humanoid dreams dangerous. We stand at an extraordinary moment in human history. These 7 remarkable machines represent more than technological achievements. They're harbingers of a future where the line between human and artificial becomes increasingly blurred. From Grace's compassionate care to Sophia's celebrity status, from Ameca's expressive mastery to Jia Jia's lifelike beauty, from Walker S2's tireless dedication to Figure O2's industrial revolution and Optimus's mass-market dreams, each robot represents a different facet of our automated future. The question isn't whether humanoid robots will transform our world. The question is, are we ready for the world they're about to create?